You know who this is again. It's your boy JG again, that OG from North Carolina in the peach capital of the state in my little hometown we call Candor. Got something special for you this time. Just for everyone and everybody that's just trying to make it and live the best life they can live. This is for you. Are you ready? I said, are you ready?